Hello everyone, it's Point here, and today I'll be continuing my How to Make a Discord Bot in 2022 series by showing you guys how to host the bot for completely free using Replit and how to keep it online indefinitely, aka infinitely. So let's get into the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see part 3 of this series. I try really hard on this, sorry if I just hit the camera. So let's get into the video, guys. Hope you enjoy. Also everyone, just a quick message. Sorry about the spacing between part 1 and part 2, which I'm recording now. I just realized it was a 2-week space, which is obviously a long time. The videos will probably be a few days apart. Sorry about how long they're apart. That won't happen again. And damn it, I just hit the mic again. Sorry if you heard that. I'm very new to recording videos, if you didn't obviously realize. Alright everyone, so what you want to do now is you want to head over to replit.com. And the link will be in the description as always. And once you get to Replit, you want to create a new REPL. A REPL is basically like a repository for GitHub, but it basically hosts it, and it also allows collaborators of your team to be able to work on it all at once and live. So what you want to do is you want to go to this little plus button at the top right of the screen. You're going to click it, and you could import it from GitHub, obviously your code, but you don't really need to. You can name the REPL, but honestly, just put whatever. You really, since it's not going to be a private REPL, people will be able to see the code whenever they want, so probably just put it a random name. But it also wants you to choose the official languages. You want to choose node.js and you want to create REPL. And there we go. Once the REPL is created, we're actually going to import the code from Visual Studio Code into REPL. So let me do that now for you. Boom, and like magic, there we go. Index.js has code in it now. But there's some things we need to do because we no longer are going to be using env. We're going to be using the built-in secret environment variables thing or feature built into REPL. So we're going to import them like this. So we're going to put token, and then we're going to put the bot's token, which obviously I don't want to show you guys, but I'm just going to put it as C for now. And then obviously we're going to put the version, but this is not required. Oh, sorry. This is not required, but it's actually preferred by me because this is useful to help show the version of your bot. It'll help when you're testing it and stuff. I'm not gonna get much into that. Prefix obviously is whatever you want, but I'm gonna put the money symbol, and this is really all we need for right now, but later we'll be adding more, but for right now that's all we need. So let me quickly add the token, and then I'll just move on to the next step. Alright, now that we have done that, we are missing one more thing. We have to install all of the packages again. Don't worry, REPL makes it so much easier to manage and organize them. So what you want to do is you want to go over to shell, and you want to type npm I, and then you want to put the Discord packages. So I'm going to be typing them now. Oh, oops. Discord.js, then at discord.js/builders, at discord.js/rest. We're not gonna be using crypto. And then Discord API types, and then click enter, and there we go. Wait for it to load. Any minute now. There we go. Alright. Now that we have that, it'll obviously show the package files, and I got hair in my mouth. How it makes it easier to see the packages is you want to go over to where's it at? Packages, and you'll see all the installed packages, and you'll see all their stuff basically. And there we go. Now that our code is on REPL, we can now see to make it run infinitely. So let's get into that now. So I just had to check something. Alright, now we're going to make it run infinitely. So we want to head over to a site called UptimeRobot. Link will be in the description. I'm going to go to that site now. Alright, now that we're on UptimeRobot.com, we want to head over to the join now, create your free account profile button. If you already have an account, then just log in. Well, I mean, if you already had an account, then you probably wouldn't be watching this video. But full name, just put like your full name. Obviously, I'm just gonna put tutorial, and then email at gmail. gmail.com. Enter your password. There we go. Just put whatever, it really doesn't matter. Register now. Alright, and then now once you put your email, you're gonna have to activate your account. So it's gonna send you something in your email. Just go to that and then click the button, and then I'll move on to the next step. Once you've done that, the next step is coming. Alright guys, so starting off, we already see I have a few things open, or monitors, what they're called. Just don't worry about those. We're going to click add new monitor, and we're going to put the friendly name as tutorial bot, or really whatever the name of your bot is. It really wouldn't matter. Monitor type will be HTTPS, URL, or IP. So to get this, we're going to have to head over to our bot. We're going to have to create a new file. It's going to be called html.js. And we're going to put in this code. We're going to put const http equals require http, and then http dot create server. And then basically this code will be in the description as well, in the link, but you could just type this out. I'll show you. You could really put whatever in this text. And then once you put in this code, we're going to now run the bot. Alright, it was installed on a package. And then once it loads, watch, I'll show you guys. Once it loads, I wonder why it's not loading. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it and come back when I figure out why. Alright everyone, I figured out why it wasn't working. So what we actually have to do is, hold on, let me close this tab. What we have to do is we have to put in this code in the index file. We have to put require ./html.js, and then it'll pop up this little window with this link at the top, and it'll say bot is ready. We want to copy this link. We're going to go over to our UptimeRobot, and we want to paste it in the HTTP, but we want to remove obviously the front. And then there we go. We can turn off both of these, enable SSL requirement. We just got to turn both of these off. That's what I got now. And then there we go. We just want to click create monitor. Continue free with slower monitoring. It wouldn't really matter. Oh, oops. Alright, so we got to put it to 5 minutes as well. Just make sure I'm recording. And there we go. Create monitor. And then it should load, and then there we go. Monitor is now created. So what this will do is every time because it pings the REPL every 5 minutes, and so once it turns off, because Replit turns off after 5 minutes of inactivity, which obviously you don't want if you're hosting a bot on it, it'll ping it, and if it find out that it's off, which it'll obviously ping it every time Repl turns it off instantly, it'll turn it back on, so the bot will pretty much never be offline. And there we go. We can really close out of this tab now. And there we go, guys. That is how you host your bot completely free on REPL, or Replit, whatever you like to call it. Really, the code will be in the description and in the pinned comments, so will all the links to all the pages I went on in this video. Part 3 will be a command handler. Command handler will make it so much easier to organize your commands and files, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, please make sure to subscribe. I put a lot of work into these videos. I always want to make sure that these videos are perfect for you guys, so you can totally understand exactly how to make a Discord bot in 2022 using the Discord.js API wrapper. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later.